Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope everybody is doing fine. After long days, I'm back with this video. Actually, due to the blood cells reduction, so I got a viral fever. So that is why I stopped making videos and everything. So right now, I'm feeling much better. So that's why I shot this video. Yeah, guys. So in this video, I'm just going to give you a wonderful roadmap for all of you. I know you have been learning English from a very long time. You watched many videos, you practiced a lot by yourself and you joined institute, but still you have not improved your English at all, right? So because you know that English is very important, but you followed wrong methods. You followed wrong roadmap to learn English language. So in this video, I'm going to give you a perfect roadmap. I know you clicked this video to enhance your speaking skills, to improve your vocabulary and everything, right? So then this video is for you guys. So in this video I'm going to give you a wonderful roadmap. How should you start your English speaking journey? Okay, yes guys, I know you have been practicing from a very long time. You applied many things, you did a lot of activities, but still there was no response. There is no improvement in your English speaking, right? Because of you followed some wrong methods and also you followed blindly the rules and everything. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 things which you need to follow in order to speak English better. So number one, if I talk about is forget grammar. Yes, so before I talk about grammar, I want to tell one thing, that it all depends on your practice, because everybody has 24 hours. But the thing is how smart you use your day regarding to learn this English language. So it all depends on your practice, it all depends on your dedication towards this English language, and how passionate you are to learn this English language. It all depends on these 3 to 4 factors. Okay, you need to initially develop that. Okay, then jump into learning English language. So number 1 is forget grammar. Yes guys, so you speak your mother tongue very effective way. Everybody speaks their mother tongue in an effective way. Did everyone learn in the beginning their mother tongue, like grammar, rules and regulations and everything? No, nobody has learned grammar. So you have to learn English in a natural way. You have to listen more, you have to write more. Whatever podcast you listen, you just listen to English more, and you have to write down more English. You have to accustom yourself English with English all the time. I know you might be a Telugu background, whatever the language it could be, but whatever you listen, whether you watch interviews, whether you listen songs, whether you listen like podcasts, Spotify, whatever, just turn everything into English, because so that you are creating English atmosphere indirectly around you, right? So that helps you immensely to speak English in a better way. So this is one step you need to start with day one, guys. Okay, and the second thing is you need to understand how you need to understand the language importance. Yes, nowadays wherever you go, language follows. That means English follows. If you want to settle in abroad, English follows you. If you want to give an interview, English follows you. If you want to give a self introduction, English follows you. If you want to describe about you, English follows you. So just know the importance of this language, and where English is important, where English is necessary, just try to focus on those areas every single day. Okay, because a lot of people will give you time period, like you have to allocate yourself 20 minutes in a day, 30 minutes in a day, 1 hour for English learning. No, it's absolutely wrong. It depends on how passionate you are and how smart you use this entire day. So it depends on that, right? Not about time period, because few people grasp very quickly, few people won't grasp very quickly, right? So that is why I'm just asking you to just try to use your day as much as you can. Okay, so this is one thing, this is the second thing, second step which you need to follow. And third thing, which I have already mentioned, that listen a lot English. Whatever you watch, might be interview, news, TV reports, anchoring, TV shows, or else, like magazines, articles, whatever you listen, whatever you read, whatever you write, turn everything into English language. I know so far you have been following everything in your mother tongue, but right now shift your mind to English, because it is very important. This language, has significant role in the society. If you learn this language, you will be getting a lot of advantages, benefits in your real life, right? So turn everything, mute your mother tongue and just switch on to English language. Whatever you listen, just describe your day every single day. how your morning goes, how your afternoon goes, and how your evening goes. Just turn everything into English. Definitely it's gonna work for you, and it's gonna help you immensely. Because in the beginning days of my, I just, it was very broken English of mine. But in the beginning days, whatever the broken English, it was perfect English. So you should not consider yourself, I'm making mistakes, it's my broken English, I'm just speaking pieces and bits. So it's not like that. You have to just focus on yourself until you become perfect. Okay, so beginning always, English is always broken, but if you keep focusing, it will become perfect. So that is the one thing you need to follow. Third thing, and fourth thing, read without pressure. I know I'm not giving you pressurized tasks. Just don't pressurize yourself. Just go with simple books. Just go with kids reading books. Just go with small reading books, the books which won't make you feel monotonous and boredom, right? So those books really help you understand. Start with small sentences first, then go with paragraph wise, right? So just don't go for paragraphs reading in the beginning days. If you are unable to read, if you are unable to stretch your mind to read books, right, just go with simple books, small story related books. Speak small sentences, that's enough in the beginning days. Beginning was very tough, I know. It's very difficult, it's very tough, I know. But one thing I'm requesting you is just go with small books, which will really help you a lot in the long run. So in the beginning days of my English journey, I followed the same things. Small books I just went through, and then I go with novels, magazines, articles, newspapers, and everything I went through, right? So if you want to speak like naturally, fluently, and effectively, you have to go with small books initially. So that is the one thing. And last but not least, which is at most priority, which is a very important, everybody is seeking for fluency. For that, what you need to do, you need to have a regular practice. Start from the day one. Not one day I will speak, just try to change your mindset. This is the day one, I have already started. One day I will reach there. From below average confident to super confident person, I'll reach there. So just try to focus on that. Definitely you will reach far in your life. Okay, so this is a simple roadmap which I have brought for you. And if you have any doubts, you can please share in the form of comments in the comment box. Because I stopped making videos because of my health issues, so that was the main reason of not shooting videos. But little bit I'm okay now. So I thought, okay, it's a long gap, I just connected with you all, so that's why I just tried to shoot a video. So this is the simple video I just came up with. And so this video is really gonna help you. I know you must have watched a number of videos, you must have listened a lot of videos in English, you must have watched many videos in English, whatever, but still your English hasn't improved. Why? Because you did not follow a perfect roadmap, you did not follow proper rules, methods, and everything, right? So that is why your English is weak, that is why you are not enough confident to speak English. So that is why you are not cracking your interviews, that is why you are getting stuck in the middle of your conversation, in the middle of your speech. And you are also getting nervous, butterflies running in your stomach, because of you are following everything, but you are following wrong steps, right? So wrong steps always lead to wrong destination, right? If you want to read, if you want to go right destination, you have to follow right track, right? So here I hope you have found clearly. So if you haven't started your English speaking journey, I'm requesting you, please go ahead and just start speaking English from the day one, from today itself. And I hope this roadmap is gonna help you a lot. Only if you are passionate about this learning English language, and also if you start speaking from the day one, so then only it's gonna help you. Okay, until you start your English speaking journey, it won't literally help you. Okay, so this is what exactly I wanted to convey. So, and thank you so much, I'll see you in the next video with one more nice concept. Till then, you guys take care, bye. Because I'm not feeling actually well, bye.